Hi everyone, my name is Desiree. Three assets that I bring to this class are that I already work in a social work setting. I am a senior family service specialist for Child Protective Services here in Delaware. So I work with kids and families all the time. We use the MDT, which is the multidisciplinary team approach when doing investigations, and I am in the serious injury and sex abuse unit. So we get all of those cases, whether it's adults and kids or kids on kids, however it is. That's the field and the unit that I'm in. With that being said, I think another good asset that I have is that I am a team player, and I know in previous classes at Widener, I've done group projects and stuff like that. So I think, especially with us being virtual and stuff, that will be beneficial for me and for you guys, if we have any group projects or have to work together in that capacity. The last asset that I think I would bring to the class is that I'm just motivated. I'm almost halfway done the master's program, so I'm really excited and I am ready to, keep learning, finish my degree, and hopefully when the time comes, have the little initials next to my name. So I look forward to working with you guys, and I will talk to you soon.